Good job at the meeting. Get that in my brand almost right.
Because of many substitutions.
Yeah, that's good.
Good, yeah, good, yeah.
I'd like to say welcome to the meeting. Thank you very much for your presence here, and welcome to our country as well. I'll give that to our colleague here who will commence the meeting.
We want to have this pre-match meeting just to align on all the little elements for the match. So the meeting won't be long because we're just going to focus more on the football-related things, not more the bigger events, because the bigger events I think were covered because we are organizing it, so we know exactly what's happening. So we just want to focus on the matters that relate to the football itself.
SABC Sport, we are the host broadcaster for the match, and also the distributor for the match to the rest of the country.
SABC Food.
South African Broadcasting Corporation. Apologies.
The reason why I'm saying that through you, coordinator,
Yes, sir.
in the interviews that I've been having with the Ghana media, they always ask what is SABC.
Everybody, Felix, Club Safety and Security Officer Kotoko.
I am Amos from Pond, the team manager at Asante Kotoko.
Samuel Ankuma, the physiotherapist.
Magnason, so corporate international investment.
Richard Akuto, club administrator for Asante. Thank you.
So it's on the way to Durban, but this is what Kaizer Chiefs will be wearing. In the first half, I think once we're done with this meeting, we'll walk around.
Sounds instead of in the ball.
You guys send me the